Welcome to Estoril, a coastal paradise in Portugal. Just minutes from the beach, this exceptional property combines luxury, privacy, and breathtaking ocean views. Part of an exclusive condominium of 4 homes, this residence blends modern elegance with historical charm. A shared pool and lush gardens offer the perfect outdoor escape, while panoramic sea views complete the setting. From private gardens to serene patios, this home is your ideal retreat. Enjoy alfresco living and stunning sunsets in a space designed for relaxation and elegance. Inside, sunlit living spaces highlight exquisite finishes and open layouts. The gourmet kitchen, complete with high-end appliances, offer beauty and functionality for every occasion. The master suite is a private sanctuary with a balcony and striking ocean views. 4 elegant bedrooms and spa-inspired bathrooms provide space and serenity for family and guests alike. For more information, contact our advisor Cristina Pereira at residentialadvisoryportugal.com.
Let's find your new home together.